Today we're going to be checking out the Aerb Deformable LED garage light, 60 watts. It has a honeycomb design around the light to act as a heat sink. It's a foldable light to spotlight the areas you want the brightest. The entire unit is 10.23 inches. Each wing is 5.12 inches, and the unit itself is 4.33 inches deep. Super easy installation. Adjustable wings are easily tightened with a provided Allen wrench. Excellent lighting capabilities for any small or large space. Installation just requires screwing it into your basic light socket. Easily screw it into any regular receptacle. You're able to adjust it wherever you want the light to go. It has extremely bright light output.